Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So at the moment we are above this key level, and that is 33.11, and at the same time we did close yesterday above it. So I think just looking at the daily price action, we had Thursday and Friday of indecision, and then we sort of opened our low and closed fairly close to our high yesterday. And now we've got this little green bar at the moment, which is also brewing right now. So we do have lower time frame trend line breaks. So let's just get down to that. Okay, and remember, you're looking for the first two fractals for your trend line. There's your first trend line right there. And you can see at the moment we've got a breakthrough. Okay, so with that in mind, I'm looking for 33.11 to hold. If 33.11 holds, then that's going to confirm that trend line. But bear in mind, you're going to have a second trend line that you need to pay attention to, and that's going to be that one up there. Okay, so you can see I'm just lining up the highs here. This one is the first two swing highs, which is that one, then you've got a third and a fourth test till we broke, and then we sort of flirted with it a bit, and you can see we rejected it here, rejected it here, and now we're through it. Okay, so moving on to the lower time frames, what we want to trade. As far as I'm concerned, this 33.11 is key, and we do have a trend line break, and we've got a breakthrough of that level. Now there is another smaller level just above it on the hour, and it's the swing high here, and that is 33.18. So at the moment I would expect pullbacks into here, any structure, expect that as an opportunity to buy. I would not be too surprised to see it fall all the way down here to the bottom of the range. Okay, so for me, I'm staying out of this until the election noise is done. So at the moment it does look like it's rounding bottom, consolidating, breaking, sort of giving us new highs, except for this little double top that we're still not through. So just put a line on that so you can see that. So obviously that's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 attempts at that level. And if you look to the left, you'll see all the tails and the congestion here. So obviously there's something important here as well that buyers and sellers are tossing with. Okay, so for me at the moment, it's really stay out of this. I don't even think the 15-minute is going to give you much structure. You can see above and below the moving average. If this 33.11 holds, that may just give me some confidence to start looking for the longs. But with the elections, there's a lot of noise that's going to happen today and tonight, for the next 24 hours actually. So I think for me it's just safer just to sit on the sidelines and watch. Okay, last thing here, if you look at this on the 15-minute here, look at this range that's forming. Okay, there's bottom of the range, but if I just extend it there, there's our range that is forming. And if we go to the hour, you can see that's a pretty tight range, and it's been one-way traffic, green, 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 until this red bar here. Still a bit of time to go in this bar, but I think we are in some area here of resistance, and I wouldn't want to be long here, and I wouldn't want to be long until I see some structure. And I think 33.11 is a level that I want to watch today. We'll watch that for the first couple of hours and see what transpires there. Okay, yeah, apart from that, nothing really else. Dollar is sort of going sideways as well at the moment, so everybody's just waiting to see what's going to transpire in the elections. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps you somewhat, and whatever you do, stay safe and keep those stops really tight, because this thing can swing any direction, and it can swing in a blink of an eye. Okay, so hope it helps. Catch up with you later. Cheers for now.